So this BSR reporting, BRSR, it stands for Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting. Today it is mandatory for the 1000 companies, first 1000 companies by market cap, which are listed on the BSE or NSE. And what they have to do as part of the BRSR reporting, they have to report almost on 270 factors. तो उन जो ये जो कंपनीज हैं, इनकी कंपनी की जो एनुअल रिपोर्ट है, जो और उस रिपोर्ट में BRSR रिपोर्ट हैज़ टू कम सेपरेटली, and that is where whatever work that they are doing, mandatorily they have to disclose in the report as to how the company has performed. So today it is applicable to the first top companies. I am sure with the passage of time, it will percolate down to the remaining listed companies and thereafter to all the other companies which are also not listed. So it is on the way. It's not that it's not there. It is on the way and it is happening in a very dramatic manner. By the way, this BRSR reporting, the Business Responsibility and Sustainability reporting that has to be done. India is the first country which has taken the lead in this kind of measurement actually, and which is truly a matter of pride for us. And so this is how you can expect it. Okay. So let's now come to the balance sheet.